Looking for the perfect cordless vacuum to fit your cleaning needs? Whether you're tackling pet hair, carpets, hard floors, or working on a budget, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're ranking the best cordless vacuums of 2025. All the links to these vacuums are in the description below to help you shop smarter. Let's get started. Wyze Cordless Vacuum deserves its title as the best budget cordless vacuum. It's proof that you don't have to break the bank to own a highly functional, versatile cleaning tool. The Wyze Cordless Vacuum is equipped with 20,000 PA of suction power, making it capable of handling dirt, pet hair, and even stubborn debris on both carpets and hard floors. It features a digital display showing battery life and cleaning mode, which simplifies operation. A standout addition is its 6 LED headlights on the brush head, perfect for spotting dust under furniture or in low-light areas. The vacuum also offers 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Medium, and Turbo, allowing you to tailor power usage to the task at hand. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the handheld mode, paired with versatile attachments, ensures you can clean cars, furniture, and tight spaces effortlessly. The optional interchangeable battery system can extend cleaning sessions to up to 100 minutes, which is impressive for a budget model. However, it does come with a few trade-offs. The dustbin capacity is smaller than premium models, and it lacks advanced features like auto-adjusting suction for different floor types. The Shark Stratos cordless vacuum stands out as the ultimate choice for pet owners. Its innovative Duo Clean Hair Pro floor head is specifically designed to handle pet hair effortlessly on all surfaces, from hardwood to thick carpets, without tangling. Thanks to its anti-hair wrap technology, even long pet hair is whisked away without clogging the rollers, making it ideal for homes with heavy shedding. The CleanSense IQ feature takes convenience to the next level by adjusting suction power automatically based on the level of debris detected, ensuring no mess is left behind while preserving battery life. The vacuum also integrates an anti-odor pod that neutralizes pet odors as you clean, leaving a fresh scent throughout your home. Additionally, the large dustbin is easy to empty, and its lightweight, portable design ensures you can tackle stairs, furniture, and tight spaces with ease. The 2 included removable batteries allow extended runtime, letting you clean larger areas without interruption. However, while the vacuum is versatile and powerful, its premium features come at a higher price, and the maintenance of accessories, like the anti-odor pod, can add recurring costs. Tineco S7 Pro take the crown for the best vacuum and mop. It's because this cutting-edge machine redefines how you clean, seamlessly combining powerful vacuuming and precise mopping into one compact device. Equipped with advanced features like dual-sided edge cleaning and iLoop smart sensor technology, this vacuum adapts intelligently to the level of dirt, ensuring both efficiency and effectiveness. The S7 Pro boasts an impressive 40-minute runtime in its auto and ultra modes, making it ideal for larger spaces. Its innovative smooth power self-propulsion system allows for effortless movement, so whether you're pushing or pulling, the vacuum helps you out. The machine uses electrolyzed water in ultra mode for deeper cleaning, and its dual tank design ensures you're always working with clean water while dirty water is safely stored. Edge cleaning is another standout feature, thanks to its redesigned brush head, which cleans right up to baseboards and into corners without missing a spot. The self-cleaning feature is a time saver, as the vacuum cleans and air dries its roller, minimizing upkeep. However, this device is on the heavier side, which might make extended use slightly cumbersome. Its premium price tag may also be a barrier for budget-conscious shoppers. Samsung Jet 90 crowned as the best cordless vacuum for carpets. It's because this vacuum combines powerful suction and advanced tools to tackle deep-set dirt and debris on carpets. Whether it's thick pet hair or hidden dust, this vacuum excels at giving your carpets a fresh, clean feel. The Samsung Jet 90 delivers 200 AW of suction power, courtesy of its high-efficiency motor and 9 cyclone chambers, which ensure consistent performance without clogging. Its standout turbo-action brush is specifically designed for carpets, with stiff bristles that dig deep into fibers to lift dirt and hair. Additionally, the vacuum includes a soft action brush for delicate hard floors and attachments like a crevice tool, mini motorized tool, and combination tool for versatility. The telescopic wand adjusts for different lengths, ensuring comfort for users of all heights. With a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, it can handle extended cleaning sessions, and its dual charging stand lets you recharge an extra battery simultaneously for added convenience. A washable filter system captures fine dust particles, ensuring clean, pollutant-free air during and after cleaning. However, the Jet 90 isn't perfect. The turbo action brush may stop temporarily if pressed too hard on dense carpets, requiring a quick reset. Its charging dock, though practical, takes up significant space and might not fit well in smaller areas. Dyson V15 Detect earns the title of Best Overall Cordless Vacuum because it excels in power, versatility, and cutting-edge technology. This vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool, it's an innovation that transforms how you tackle dirt and debris. The Dyson V15 Detect is packed with features designed to make cleaning effortless and effective. It boasts Dyson's hyperdymium motor, spinning at up to 125,000 RPM, providing unmatched suction power. It features a unique green laser that highlights invisible dust on hard floors, so you can see exactly what you're picking up. The vacuum also includes an intelligent sensor that adjusts suction based on debris size, ensuring maximum efficiency across different surfaces. The V15 Detect offers 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost, with a runtime of up to 60 minutes in Eco mode. An LED display keeps you informed of battery life and performance metrics, adding convenience to your cleaning routine. Accessories like the fluffy head for hard floors, a hair screw tool, and crevice attachments make it versatile for tackling everything from carpets to tight corners. However, the Dyson V15 Detect comes with a few drawbacks. Its price point, starting at around $700, makes it a premium purchase that may not fit all budgets. The dustbin capacity is smaller than ideal, requiring frequent emptying during larger cleaning sessions. Thanks for joining me on this rundown of the best cordless vacuums of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Happy cleaning!